Today's Show with Jimmy Falcon.
Good morning, Falcons. I'm Audrey.
And I'm Adam. Welcome to the season premiere of the Today Show with Jimmy Falcon.
As we start season 5, we would like to share a special greeting from a very big fan of our Falcon families.
Good morning, KAMS students. I'm Kay Albiani, or Catherine Albiani, the namesake of Albiani Middle School. I'm here to greet you back to your new school year, a unique, different kind of school year. I want to assure you that everyone's ready. I'm ready. The staff's ready. Mrs. McNeil's ready. We're all ready to say welcome back. We're going to have a great year. Everybody's working very, very hard to make sure we have as fun as we can be and learn as much as possible in this new, unique way of learning. This can't last forever. Hopefully we'll see you sometime later on in the year. I'm just delighted to have you into our school this next school year. Please study hard, be good to your parents, do well. Good luck.
Thank you, Miss Albiani. Stay tuned till later in our show where we get to meet another family member of the Albiani family.
We are so excited to start our season with all you Falcons. We have so many ideas for our shows and can't wait for you to be a part of it. So check Synergy and look for all the different ways we will be asking you to be a part of our show each week.
Before we get started today, Audrey, how about if all our viewers got off their phones and subscribed to the KAMS TV YouTube channel?
That's right. Pause the show. Whoa, we paused, but you should just pause the show right here and go to the KAMS YouTube channel and subscribe.
Yeah, our goal is 1,000 subscribers.
Now, Falcons, let's go to Jimmy Falcon as he's going to tell us all about what's happening this month at KAMS.
And I think he has a special message of warning about the evil Dr. Squawk.
Hello Jimmy boy, you silly goody two-shoes, always getting praise from teachers while I'm in the shadows and kicked off of the show.
Sup, bro? I'm cool now. I'm a new superhero who advocates for kindness.
Well, now I run the show. Now I will take everybody's supplies at the Falcon flyby.
Dr. Squawk is coming to steal your supplies, so you need to get your kazoo over to the school and pick up your yearbook, free student planners, and pre-ordered spiritware on September 16th through the 18th, 3:30 to 6 p.m.
LOL okay Zuma. A smooth brain, what's next? You're gonna tell me to do my homework. Okay, you're just going to ignore me like that, fine then. I'll tell the students also what the events are going to be because they obviously like me more. Even though we are in a global pandemic, we are still going to have school clubs, virtually, which you can sign up for during KAMS Virtual Seal-Up Brush on the 21st of September at 2 p.m. Also, you'll need to check Synergy for sign UPS for this event.
There's a Chick-fil-A Spirit Night on September 22nd from 5 to 7 p.m. Whatever you order on the Chick-fil-A mobile app, our school gets money for you, our fabulous Falcons.
Anyways, we are having another Orange Day on the 25th of September. I'm pretty sure you know what to do. Wear orange so your teachers don't get mad at you. Also, the leadership kids are having a virtual lunch activity after school at 1 p.m. Maybe I'll see you there and take over the event unless Jimmy is able to thwart me.
Bye, Falcons.
Don't listen to him brainwashing you students into being suck-ups and teachers' pets. Instead, join the dark side because the dark side of the force is the pathway to many abilities some consider to be unnatural. But anyways, to be polite, I'm going to say, okay all you Jimmy stans, I guess that's all. Goodbye.
Wow, Adam, I can't wait for the Falcon flyby. It's going to be a blast. I heard they're giving away families ice cream, auto pops, pizza, gift cards, Falcon swag bags, and lots of throwback Albiani t-shirts.
I also hear we may even get to see teachers in real life form, not virtual. Many of them will be at the Falcon flyby helping pass out lots of Falcon swag. Jimmy Falcon even hid one of the planners from Dr. Squawk's evil clutches just for us to see ahead of time.
If you still want a 2019-2020 yearbook, there are just a few left.
The website address is listed on the screen along with our school code.
The cost is $55.
Hey Falcons, the 2020 to 2021 yearbook is also available on Yearbook Order Center.
The Falcon Fiesta price has ended, but you'll still save over-end prices with the fall special of $50, $55 with a personalized nameplate.
On the last Friday of every month, KAMS has a virtual Spirit Day. Last month, we had Falcon Friday.
Many of you answered the call. So here are some awesome pictures that you submitted to the nest. Adam, do you know what time it is?
No, Audrey, what time is it?
Hey Falcons, here are our amazing Wheel of Falcon contestants. Now that you've seen the contestants, here are our amazing Falcon Feather winners.
Well, Falcons, congratulations on earning all those Falcon feathers.
And thank you, teachers, for recognizing all our hard work.
That's right, Adam. Teachers are looking for students all this month who are being safe, respectful, and responsible. Teachers, Student of the Month nominations are due Friday, September 18th by 3 p.m.
And students, don't forget the checklist we shared last week with you on how to make sure you are following the 3 Bs and what that looks like.
Now for Mindful Mondays.
Every Monday, we will hear from our awesome counselors on a ton of different topics. Let's hear what they have to say today.
Hey Falcons.
It's Mindful Monday.
What day is it?
Oh yeah.
It's Mindful Monday. We're going to stop and take a minute.
Today's Mindful Monday. We are going to focus on mindful breathing. Stop, breathe, and think. Follow along with this video and take a moment to practice some mindful breathing of your own.
Now close your eyes and put your hands on your belly and concentrate on your breathing. You will breathe in through your nose and let the air out of your mouth. Breathe along with my count. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4. Don't worry if you feel awkward. Like anything new, each time you practice, it will get easier. This is the same breathing that musicians, singers, and athletes are taught.
Check out these apps to help you practice your own mindful breathing. Calm, Headspace, My Life, Smiling Mind. You can also check out the KAMS Counseling Connection website for direct links to these apps and more.
Thanks, KAMS counselors.
Check out the KAMS Counseling Connection website for more tips and tools and how to contact your counselor if you need to.
Well, Adam, I had a blast today on our season premiere of the Today Show with Jimmy Falcon.
Me too, Audrey, but we still have one more segment.
That's right, Adam. Hope you enjoyed this last segment, Falcons. Thanks to all of you who contributed to the segment.
And we present to you the creatures of KAMS. Whoa, where'd Audrey go and where am I now? Guys, what am I supposed to do?
You're supposed to do the KAMS creature segment.
Oh, I'm supposed to fill out KAMS creature segment. Oh, okay, well that makes a lot more sense. And well, KAMS Creatures is where you send your videos of your animals doing their tricks. And well, thank you all for sending videos or photos of your animals doing their special talents. You really helped put this segment together. So we thank you for that. With that said, let's get on into the pictures, I guess. And also, if you want to know how to be featured on the next showing of KAMS Creatures, make sure to email kamsasb@gmail.com. And well, as you can see the email right there, or somewhere, I don't know where the editors are putting it, they work absolutely magic. I just love the Creatures of KAMS. That segment will definitely be a regular. We would like to give a shout out to all the local businesses that are sponsoring our school.
Thanks, Fat Mike's Pizza in Wilton, Gopher Pizza in Rancho Marietta,
Pizza Guys on Elk Grove Florin Road, Chick-fil-A and In-N-Out on Bond Road.
If you know of any local businesses who would like to sponsor hardworking kids like yourself and us, tell them they could too be featured on today's show with Jimmy Falcon.
Well, thanks for watching us today, Falcons.
And don't forget, be safe,
Be respectful,
be responsible,
and above all,
be kind to yourself, Falcons.
and to others, then you can.
Be your best. Bye, Falcons.